What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are so welcome. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to get rid of dental plaque, dental decay and tartar, and also how to whiten up your teeth. So if you want to know what comprises of my treatment to whiten up the teeth and remove dental plaque, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you're new. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be the first person to be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also on my website there are tons of ingredients that I use on my channel. You can check them out. The link at my comment section. And also don't forget to check out my vlog. Let's jump right into this video. The first ingredients we're going to be needing coconut oil. Coconut oil pulling is a common practice that can help you get a whiter teeth, and it has been used to treat both tooth decay, kill bad breath, heal bleeding gums, prevent heart disease, reduce inflammation, sore throat drying, prevent cavity, heal cracked lips. It also helps in boosting immune system and improve acne. For the coconut oil, I'm going to be scooping out half teaspoon of coconut oil into the bowl, and this will be okay for just one use. Now I'm going to be trying to remove it. Now when using coconut oil, you can either use the liquid coconut oil or you can use the solid one. Anyone you can grab, it's perfect for this treatment. The next ingredient, we're going to be needing baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Baking soda is included in many tooth whitening and toothpaste preparations to heal cavity, remove dental stain, and it also helps to remove dental plaque. For the baking soda, I'm going to be taking half teaspoon of baking soda. Then I'm going to be turning that into the bowl. The next ingredients, lemon. Lemon contains a high amount of citric acid, and it also helps in whitening and cleaning up tooth decay, tooth cavity and plaque. It should be used once in a week. Lemon is packed with nutrients such as vitamin C, calcium and iron. For the lemon, we're going to be cutting the lemon into two. Now we're going to be squeezing in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now because I have the lemon in it, so I'm going to be diluting this with water. So I'm going to be taking 1 teaspoon of water and I'm going to dilute that. Alright, then we're going to be mixing all this ingredients together. So now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together and I'm going to mix it really good. Okay, so what you do is to make sure to mix so the coconut oil can mix very well with the baking soda and the water. Alright, this is just going to be a little bit difficult to mix because of the water dilution that I just applied. Now this is perfect for a paste. Okay, alright, so this treatment, you should only brush your teeth with this treatment once in a week, and once in a week is going to be perfect. Okay, Okay guys, so here is my tooth plaque, plaque cavity and tooth decay treatment. Now this treatment you should use it only once in a week. Yeah, I'm repeating that, okay, because it's just a concentrated treatment that would really get rid of tooth plaque. It will also make your teeth whiter and it's very effective. Alright, so you're going to use a brush and then you're going to scoop out this mixture. This way is just like a toothpaste here, and then you're just going to use that to brush your teeth. So watch me. Alright, so always remember to brush your moles, your molar, yeah, because it's very important. Alright, and also don't forget to brush the upper part of your teeth because plaque might be hanging around there. Alright, that stuff is really disgusting. Then when you're done, brush the front of your teeth because that is where the attraction lies. Now, because of the presence of coconut oil in this treatment, when you're done brushing, you can hold it just like I'm holding it right now for just like 30 seconds, and after that you just go wash this off and woof. So I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is how my teeth is looking like right now. Although I don't have plaque, but I always love my teeth to be sparkling white, like really white. Alright, and let me open my mouth so you can see. At the top of my teeth and my tongue, very clean. Alright, so that's it. So go and do this once in a week. Alright guys, so basically that's just a very simple way to remove dental decay, dental plaque, tartar, and to whiten up your teeth. Now this would help you so much. The coconut oil is just going to kill all bacteria and germs in your mouth, and the baking soda is just going to whiten up your teeth. But please don't do this more than once in a week, okay? This is really good, very. Our forefathers have been using this and it's been helping them, and they've been having strong and white teeth. So go try this out and let me know how it tastes. Alright, so if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be the first person to be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, and able to ask all of your questions on my website, the link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also don't forget to check out my vlog. I'll see you soon in my next video guys. Stay beautiful. Bye guys.